Welcome back. Yes, magicians frequently astonish. Now, David, it's been fascinating over the months that this show's been running, hearing the derivations and background stories of words that have originally started out in an entirely different language, and you've got another example of this tonight.
This is quite a remarkable story because the Italian word for bench or table is banca, B-A-N-C-A, or banco, depending upon its context. And remarkably, it's where we get the word bank. And if you think of someone who sort of sets up shop as a moneylender in a market stall or a bazaar, then that bench and that bank would be the defining characteristic.
So that's your basic financial institution, that little piece of furniture sitting there in the marketplace.
Yes, but it does have 4 stable legs and it doesn't wobble, or occasionally it does wobble. And that's also where we get the word bankrupt, because it comes from bancarotta, which means a broken bench. Now, the other word is mountebank. And that's where it's essentially another word for a charlatan or a quack. And a mountebank comes from montebanco. That is someone who jumps up on top of a bench to sell their wares.
Great images for those word backgrounds. So lovely stuff. Thank you, David.
Thanks.
Let's have a look at our scores now, and they are absolutely level. 16 points each for Michael and Margaret as we go into our next letters game. And Margaret, what do you fancy this time?
Could I please have a consonant to start with, Lily?
Thanks, Margaret. F.
And I'll take a vowel then, please.
E.
And then I'll take a consonant.
C.
And another one, please.
T.
And a vowel, please.
A.
And another vowel, please.
I.
Please.
C.
A vowel, please.
U.
And a consonant, please.
And last letter T.
And here's the clock. Well, a slightly different approach that time to selecting the letters. How did you go?
Well, it threw me completely, and I have a 4.
Oh dear, okay. 4 for you. What about you, Michael?
Yeah, also thrown with a 4 as well.
4 each. Well, let's start with yours, Michael.
Fact.
And yours, Margaret?
Fact.
Well, I was going to say, if you wouldn't mind just comparing as you were about to do. So, absolute consistency here, David.
There is, and the fact is they're both worth 4 points. And if you added a few more letters and mixed, faucet is a possible 6, and so is tactic also there.
Very nice. But still level pegging. Michael and Margaret, another 4 points each. Let's see how we go this time with the letters. And, Michael, what would you like this time?
Thanks, Richard. I'll start with a vowel. Thanks, Lily.
Thanks, Michael. E.
And another vowel, thank you.
A.
And the third vowel, please.
I.
And another.
E.
And a consonant, please, Lily.
S.
And another consonant.
F.
And a third consonant, please.
N.
A fourth consonant, thanks.
R.
And final consonant, thank you, please, Lily.
And last D.
And your time starts now. So, Michael, were you any happier with that mix?
I got a 5 this time.
And for you, Margaret?
I got a 7.
A 7. Well, that's very good to hear. We'll come back to you in a moment. Yours first, Michael.
Ferns.
And your 7, Margaret?
Friends.
Very nice.
Lovely work, Margaret. An amicable 7. Well played. There is actually an 8 here, and that is near side, relating to the left-handed side of a motor vehicle or the side nearest to the footpath. So near side is a possible 8.
Interesting one for 8, but Margaret in this round has scored 7. Nice work from Margaret with the letters, so let's see how she goes with the numbers this time around. And what would you like to choose, Margaret?
I'll go 3 large, please, Lily, and 3 small.
Thanks, Margaret. 3 large and 3 small. And starting with the smalls, 6, 3, 9, and the 3 large, 25, 50, and 75. And the target to reach is 549.
Let's head there now. Margaret, how did you go this time?
I got 550, Richard.
Just 1 off the target, that's good. Michael?
And I was confounded by this one and nowhere near it.
Nowhere near. Okay, so Margaret, explain to us what you did, please.
Okay, I just went 50 by 9,
50 by 9 is 450.
plus the 75, plus the 25.
And the 75 and the 25,
And that's 550.
550.
So, nice work. Just 1 off the target. How did you go, Lily?
What I actually did is divide the target number by 3 and then work up to the smaller number. And do you remember how I knew this was divisible by 3?
I remember that was something you explained to us a while back. Yes, that if you add the 3 numbers of a large number like that, and if you can divide that addition by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3.
Yes, in this case, 5 plus 4 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so you're in business. Okay, now 549 divided by 3 is 183, so that's my new target number, if you like. And to get there, you add 9 to 50 and multiply by 3. That gives you 177. 177 plus 6 is 183. And to get the remaining 3, if you divide the 75 by the 25, times it all together, 549.
Very nice. Great result, Lily. Thank you very much. And well done to Margaret as well. 7 points in that round. So Michael's on 20. Margaret taking the lead a little further ahead on 34. Let's head for another break now and another word mix. And this time, swan ping. And the clue, from tip to tip. See you very shortly.